Hello, and welcome to Chapter 10, Section 4. The assignment is page 476, numbers 1 through 16. And the other half of the assignment is page 480,
written
written exercises 1 through 25.
All right, pause. Refer to the diagram and list the members of each of the following sets. Copy it down, D intersection E. So find the circle for D and E, and they overlap, and that overlapping section is their intersection. Meg, what's the answer?
9.
Well, there's something else in the intersection.
Oh, 6.
6 and 9. Number 3, E union F. So look at E, look at the circle that contains all those numbers, and look at F. Every number in its circle belongs to F. Now give me the union in numerical order. Join them together.
0, 3, 4, 6.
You
7.
forgot, I think you forgot 5.
Oh yeah, 5.
Right?
No.
5 is in F.
Oh.
5, 6, 7, 8.
And there's one more in E that you
And
missed.
9.
9. So that's your intersection. Excuse me, union. Number 5, it says D intersection E, find that, and intersect that with F. So find D intersection E. That would be what two numbers? Maria?
9 and 6.
Intersect that with F.
Oh,
Of those two numbers, is one of them in F? Or both?
6.
The 6 is.
Wait, I have a question.
Uh-huh.
I forgot my question.
Okay. Remember, let me know. Number 7, you have D intersection with E union F. Marion, put E union F together, we have what?
6, 7, and 8.
Well, we have 0,
Oh, yes.
we have the big long one. 0, 3,
0,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, of those numbers, are any of them in D?
9, 6, 5.
In numerical order, what numbers are also in D?
5, 6, 9.
5, 6, and 9. And number 9, you have D intersection F union with E intersection F. All right, Vincent, what is in the intersection of D and F? What's shared?
A 6,
What else?
a 6, a 6 and a 5.
5 and 6. What is in E intersection F?
7, 8, I mean 6, 7, 8.
6, 7, and 8. So if you join those two sets together without repetition, what would you have?
5, 7, 8.
What about 6?
5, oh yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right. Okay, 11 through 16, the rest of your assignment, you're to tell me the union and then the intersection of the sets. If the sets are disjoint, they share nothing, say so. So number 11, indicate union with a capital U. What's the union of those two sets, Steffi? Put them together.
-2.
In numerical order.
Oh, okay. -1.
In numerical order from the least to the greatest.
Oh, -4. -3. -2. -1 and 0.
Right. And the intersection, use the upside down U, which represents intersection. What do they share?
-3, -2.
Good. Number 13, the union. Meg, join them together.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
And the intersection what they have in common? Or do they have anything in common?
4.
4 is in both of them?
Yeah. Oh, no, sorry, I was thinking of one. No, they don't have it.
So what do we put down?
Circle with
They also said they say the word disjoint. The empty set or disjoint. Okay, 15, union. Nicholas?
2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 10.
The intersection, what do they have in common? Shared?
4. Oh wait, there's a 12 in there, in the union. Sorry.
Okay, and so what do they have in common? What do they share at their intersection?
4, 6, and 8.
4, 6, and 8. Okay, that's the end of that page. Now we're doing the combined inequalities. So we're on number 1. Draw the graph of each open sentence. Write the sentence down. T is greater than -3 and less than or equal to 2. It's a between problem. What kind of circle at -3? Maria?
And open.
Be sure to indicate your numbers. And what kind of circle at 2?
Closed.
And then do what?
Shade between. Yeah.
Okay. Number 3. The problem is, write it down please. R is greater than 3.
That's number 2.
I'm sorry. Number 3 is another between problem. So it's all the real numbers between 1 and 5. Do we include the 1 and 5?
Yes.
So put an open circle
Closed.
or closed at 1. And at 5, closed, and then what?
In between
Shade in between. And that's an and statement. And is greater than or equal to 1 and at the same time less than or equal to 5. Okay, number 5. Solve each open sentence. Copy the problem down. I need to have that A by itself, so what do I need to do?
Subtract 1 from all 3 sides.
All 3 sections, okay? And you end up with what?
-3 is greater than A.
No, why would it turn?
Oh, because it's negative.
Well, you're not multiplying by negative. You're subtracting 1. You only turn your inequality when you multiply or divide by a negative.
Alright.
It's not going to change anything. It's only when you multiply or divide. So -3 is less than A, and A is less than
2.
2. And graph it. What kind of circle it? -3.
Open circle.
What kind of circle it? 2.
Open circle.
Shaded in between. And if you want to check the answer, pick a number between those, like 0. 0 works. -2 is less than 1, 1 is less than 3. Don't turn the inequality around. Not until you multiply. Okay, number 7. Steffi?
Okay, you add 3 to both sides. So you have -1 is less than D is less than or equal to 5.
And then graph it.
An open circle at -1 and a closed circle at 5. And then shade in between.
Right. Number 9. Meg? Solve for A
You go to subtract 4.
from all three parts. And we get
Negative 6 is less than or equal to 2a less than or equal to 8.
8 minus 4 is 4.
Oh, 4, sorry.
Then do what?
Divide by 2.
And that does not turn the inequality because it's not negative. All right, then we get
Negative 3 is less than or equal to a less than or equal to
is it less than or equal?
2. No.
Just
No,
less
it's
than.
just less than. Oh, sorry.
Gotta be careful. And then you don't have Steffi correcting you. I don't have to worry about that. So what kind of circle at negative 3?
Closed.
Circle at 2,
Okay.
shaded in between. Number 11. Nicholas?
Subtract 1 from all sides. And so you have negative 6 is less than or equal to 3m is less than 3. Divide by 3 on all sides. And you have negative 2 is less than or equal to m is less than 1.
And then graph it.
And there's a closed circle at negative 2 and an open circle at 1 and shade between.
Good. Number 13. This is an or statement. Y minus 2 is less than negative 5, or, keep the or in there, y minus 2 is greater than 5. Okay, Maria?
Add 2 to both sides. So y is less than negative 6.
And then break down the or, don't lose that. And then over here,
Add 2. And y is greater than 7.
now graph that. You want all the numbers that are less than 3 or greater than 7. So what kind of circle at negative 3?
Open.
Shaded to the
Left.
solid arrow. And then what kind of circle at 7?
Open.
Shaded to the
Right.
solid arrow. 15. Another or statement. Marion?
Subtract 1 from all sides. 2x is less than or equal to negative 4 divided by 2. X is less than or equal to negative 2. Or, and then you subtract 1 from both sides on the next one. It says 2x is greater than or equal to 2 divided by 2. X is greater than or equal to 1.
Okay, so we want all the numbers less than or equal to negative 2 or greater than or equal to 1. So what kind of circle at negative 2?
Closed.
Shaded to the
Left.
solid arrow. What kind of circle at 1?
On the closed circle.
Shaded to the
On the right.
solid arrow. $17. Vincent?
Oh, just gonna add 1 to both sides, and then it would be 3n is less than or equal to negative 4. Divide both sides by 3.
No, oh, I'm sorry, you're on. I was going ahead of you. You're right, n is less than or equal to negative
4 over 3.
or negative 1 1/3. And come over here.
Add 1 to both sides. And it's 6 is less than or equal to 3n. Divide both sides by 3. n is,
You got 3 is less than or equal to n, so I need that turned around. N is,
n is greater than or equal to 3.
okay, so
It's
or
not 2. It's 2.
it's 2. I think I copied it. I started writing it down too soon. Okay, what kind of circle? -4/3 or -1 1/3?
It'll be in closed circle at both of them,
This one is shaded to the,
left, and the other one shaded to the right.
okay, 19. Here comes the negative numbers, that we're gonna turn things. So to solve for x, I'm gonna have to do what to everything? Steffi?
You have to divide by and multiply by -1.
And that's gonna do what to all the inequalities?
Turn them around.
So that'd be 6 is greater than or equal to
Make
x is greater than or equal to what?
-2.
-2. Now, this is not in the correct order to graph it. It must be turned around.
-2 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 6.
And then graph it.
Close circle at -2 and 6. Shade in between.
Good. 21. Meg?
You have to subtract 2 from both sides. It would be -6 is less than or equal to -2 is less than 1. And then you have to multiply by -1. So it would be 6 is greater than or equal to 2 is greater than
And then turn it around so we can graph it.
-1 is less than 2.
Less than t, you're right.
Which is less than or equal to 6.
And what kind of circle at -1?
Open.
Shaded to the,
Left.
and at 6? Shaded to the
Right.
right. And the last one. $23. Nicholas?
You subtract 1 from all sides. And you have -6 is less than -2x is less than or equal to 6. And then divide by -2. And you have 3 is less than
No, turn it.
x.
Turn.
Oh, it's greater than
X.
x, and is greater than or equal to -3.
And then rewrite it.
-3 is greater than.
No, you gotta turn everything.
Oh yeah, less
Less than or equal to X, and then less than
3.
3. Okay, everything turns and changes when you rewrite it. Okay, and what kind of circle at -3?
Closed circle,
Shaded to the left. And what kind of circle at 3?
open,
Shaded to the
right.
right. Okay,
Isn't
pause
it less than
that.
or equal to?
Pardon me?
Isn't it less than or equal to? So wouldn't it be an open or a closed circle?
Here?
Mhm.
No, it was greater than here, it becomes
Oh,
less
okay.
than there. Did you pause that? Okay, we do have an error. It's a between problem, isn't it? Right?
Yep.
Okay, my mistake. Trying to get done before the bell rings and I'm not gonna make it. It's shaded in between. Sorry about that. Okay, now pause.